Bastrop, you picked up 1/4 inch of rain yesterday, and now you've got some calm wind. So we're seeing the ingredients for some fog. This is our Allied Medical Emergency Room camera giving us this view. It's not widespread fog, as we didn't see widespread rain yesterday, but out towards the bottom of Hayes, Caldwell, Lee, Bastrop County, I would be on the lookout for a couple spots of fog here. As far as the temperatures go, we are very comfortable in the 50s and 60s. A little cooler than yesterday. We just lost our Camp Mabry site. That was pulling upper 50s. Last time I checked it, I would say a light jacket maybe. You won't need it this afternoon. I can promise you that. We are on our way to a high of 92. That would be the hottest day of the year so far. That 92 also expected to tie the record we last set back in 1971. Everybody's hot by March standards today. These temperatures running about 15 to 20 degrees warmer than what's normal for this time in March. As far as our skies go, plenty of sunshine. Just some high clouds coming in as we get towards the later part of the afternoon. Now overnight, we'll probably see some of that thicker cloud cover move in the lower levels and once we get past midnight. But I think we're still going to have some pretty good visibility, especially towards the west and the Austin metro area for the total lunar eclipse. This happens tomorrow morning. Totality begins at 1:26 in the morning, runs for 65 minutes. It's basically when the moon is in Earth's shadow. So the sun is shining on the opposite side of the earth, and a little bit of that gets refracted around and casts an orangish red hue on the moon. It's going to look real cool, but you don't need any special equipment to see it. If you do have a telescope or a camera and you get a really nice photo, be sure to send it to us, because I think a lot of us are probably going to be like, I'll sit this one out. I'm going to sleep through it. I want to see it the next morning on the news. Hopefully we can get some good photos from y'all to do that. Wildfire risk as we get into tomorrow. Big time. I mean, we've got extreme fire danger, 5 out of 5 risk. Austin Metro into our hill country. We already have a fire weather watch in place that's set to start at noontime. By the time we get to tomorrow, that is expected to be a red flag warning. It's coming in ahead of a cold front. Cold front eventually moves through, brings down our temperatures as we get into the weekend to the 70s, which is still quite comfortable. But I still think we're going to be fighting some winds on Saturday. So tomorrow and Saturday, I think, are going to be vulnerable days for wildfire growth if a wildfire was to spark, or if we're still dealing with wildfires in the area like the one up in San Saba County. 7-day forecast, 92 and sunshine today, low 60s tonight. Wildfire risk both Friday and Saturday, breezy to windy conditions with the drier air on Friday afternoon. Sunday looks great. Some breezy conditions again Monday, Tuesday. Temperatures warm back to the 80s. Your overnight temperatures in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. Let's get things back over to Erica.
All right.